and 5 decades to almost 25 times. And our trade has been growing aggressively. Last year, we exceeded $1 trillion when it comes to our non-oil trade, and we're continuing with that growth with the investments in logistics, opening up our markets by signing many of the free trade agreements, and ensure that we as well take the domestic and the national experience to the international, where we can contribute to the growth and prosperity of the nations. Now, when it comes to our bilateral relation with Namibia, we're very keen in extending as well whatever we have been doing with the other African nations lately, signing free trade agreements. We concluded 10 agreements with the African nations, and we're ready to explore that with Namibia. Complementing that, we were very interested in the protection of investments agreements as well as the double taxation. This is going to send a message to the private sector that two governments are getting together, and there is the comfort ecosystem will be provided to the businesses and investors from the UAE side. Our bilateral and oil trade is around $260 million last year. I'm sure this does not reflect the capabilities of both nations. We can do much higher than these numbers. And our investments are focusing only in agriculture.